to show you real quick was this is the pressed one that we just pulled. And here's the next one that we're going to be pulling, and see how that is sandwiched in. When you're sewing it, try to sandwich it as close to that center as possible. And when you're pulling it, when I was doing this one, it broke. I was just really blessed that it was long enough that I could grab the second thread. So I only had one thread to finish it when I turned off the camera the last time before I turned it. Anyway, I'll turn this one, press it, and you'll see these are the end ties. This is how I did all the ties on all of the aprons, including the strap that goes around the neck. Hi sweet friends, I just wanted to show you how cute these little aprons came out, and I wanted to show you how cute the little pocket is and how I trimmed it. Everything's on the tutorial. I trimmed it out in the lace at the bottom. This is all printed, so there's nothing extra to sew. The little straps turned out really cute. So this is the little girl. This is the little girl's one. And this is the older girl's one, which basically is a rectangle with a small rectangle on top. See if I can undo this with one hand. Now I also did a mom's version of the little girl's one in a large women's size, or a women's size. This is for a teenager, so it'll be for the teenage granddaughters. And the same thing, there's no extra piece, this is all printed. Here's the pocket with the lace added, and the bottom is the same. I used a flat lace though on the older girls versus what I've used on the younger granddaughters is more of a gathered lace. See? Okay, and then the last one, like I said, I don't have the women's one. I already wrapped it. I wasn't thinking. And I've got the, pull this down. I've got the man's little short rectangle with this two straps to tie in the back. This one just happens to be a printed Deck the Halls. Really cute, very easy, and I've already finished 5 men's like this, 2 granddaughters like this, 2 small granddaughter, 1 grandson of the small one, and 4 of the adult females. So I hope you like it. Bye.